Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to offset lines. So this is the figure which we are going to draw by offset command. For that, let's start. We need 100 mm square. Select line here, then type 100. You can make horizontal line, press 8 in horizontal plane. Then simply change the direction by moving, giving dimension 100. Now I want this side 100 and this side 100. You see, we already create a box here, square. Now we type offset O. You have to give this 20 here, here, here. So in this way we create offset 20 all sides. Now we have to create a radius R circle. So simply the circle command, type here, click center radius, and I want radius 10. Again enter, radius 10. Again enter, radius 10. Again enter, radius 10. So we can trim these things. Simply type tr. And we're using break command. This can be erased. For erase, type E. So we created a similar geometry as by offset command. So we will measure this one. For measuring, you have to type dimension horizontal. You can take this one. This is horizontal line. If you don't want to type, select this one, and this one. This is 20. I want to move it up. Go up a little bit. Same way. And this one. And this one. Now we want a radius 10. This is the radius. This is R10. So in this way, by offset command, we created this box. Hope you understand. If you have any comment, please comment below. I will be able to help you. Thanks.